The reverse meat hook in the rings is a very challenging exercise to perform. There's lots of steps on the way to getting a full one and really being able to get that nice position behind your back. Feel nice and solid there. So first step with both meat hooks is to be able to get inverted and feel comfortable upside down. Turn around this way. So just getting that balance. So for some people, getting in this way is okay if you're strong enough to get up like that. Other way to get up is just going into that kind of back lever pike and curling up. It's quite light like that. So first step is just being able to get nice and straight. If you've got that down, the second step is turning your hips side to side. Then you're going to just curl the legs at the knee and just get used to wrapping around. Then you're trying to get the forearm onto the sacrum so you can get that pressure there. Once you can get that, then you can start to pull, feel that. Once you've got that down, you can work on taking both legs on the outside, which is much heavier, but you're trying to get that second butt cheek past the strap. So from there, I'm upside down, and then I'm trying to bring the second butt cheek. So that's 1 and 2. That's quite heavy. Use the second ring. Really trying to develop that strength in the shoulder girdle to get it past. Is a very heavy movement. So on the meat hook QDR there, we have that 30-second rest in between to really reset the breathing. And then just feel that pressure release, because otherwise if you're just going from one to the next with all that pressure, it's pretty heavy. So the next one we've got is the deep squat position as a starting point. When you're going to the side, you want to line the fingers up so that way you're getting a 90-degree angle like that. And you want to have that pressure down and being used to having that inside of your arm pushing into your rib cage, and you're kind of changing the angle as you kind of go down here to the front and then go to the side. You don't have to bring the second leg up, you just need to work at the level that's right for you. You need to warm those wrists up properly first, so that way you can take that pressure. But I place one hand down, second hand down, I'm in that lunge position. As I lower myself, that leg comes across, come down, and then I bring the knees together to the elbow. Push out. So you want to feel that nice stability and strength through there. So generally just go for one each side in that 30-second interval and go into another breathing rest. Because I'm already in that squat, it's nice to do a nice breathing squat so you feel that pressure kind of go into there. Or you can do some wrist circling or whatever it is you need. So in this position here, as I lower again, that knee will come to the side. I'm there, so you might just work that and just work on getting that inner arm in a good position. Might just get the top knee or the bottom knee to that elbow and push out and away. So you're trying to find that balance and control, get control over that intra-abdominal pressure that's building up when you compress the core, and then go into that rest, getting 4 sets of that, nice and heavy. Challenging, but just work it in a way that's right for you.